Okay, hi. My name is Vaibhav. Me and Sarah will be going through the demo for our project. So first up, we've erased the database. So if you are the first person signing in, it automatically assigns you as the admin, and that was one of the required user tasks. And secondly, let's say I try and log in. I'm gonna put vers1. Uh, I'll tell you that after. But once you set up, one of the things that was required in the new users was that as the first user, you're assigned the role of the admin, but once you finish providing the required account information, you're required to log in again. And hence you get this security notice that says relog in again. And once you press OK, it takes you back to your user login page. And I just relog in again. And after that, I'm taken to the welcome page. And this is my admin page. So Siri's going to take you through the admin page now.
Okay, so for the admin page,
Yeah,
um, for the admin page, the the first requirement is you can invite users to play roles. So if you press the invite button, you can generate invite code, and you can select the role the user will have that accepts the invite code. So it could be let's just go student and reviewer, and then it'll generate an invitation code, and then it'd be CAF8. Um,
let me log.
yeah, and
Yeah.
then we'll show you how to log in.
Do you remember the code?
Uh, VAF8.
I think it was C.
Oh, was it CAF?
Okay, we got it.
Okay.
CFA. So then, the roles he selected, you press continue to your page, and then lets you choose which of the two roles you want. And that was also one of the other new user tasks that they can be assigned multiple roles and should be able to choose which role they want. So let's say I want to be a student. When you click on go to role homepage, you're taken to a page for the student where it says hello student. I'll log out and log back in so here can show you the other functionalities of the admin. Yeah,
Okay. Okay. So the next functionality uh is you can set a one-time password if a user forgets. So actually hold up, let me log up. And then
log in.
yeah, log in and then do like
Yeah.
the user.
So forgot password.
Hit like LeBron 3. I think
Okay.
it was LeBron 3, right?
Yeah,
Yeah.
LeBron 3.
LeBron 3. All right, so that user is registered in the database. So let's say, oh, LeBron 3 forgot their password. You can hit forgot password and it sends set request to admin. Then you
So
can
I'll log in.
log in as admin again.
Yeah,
Okay, and then you could see your page. Oh, we got a notification now. Notification, user two forgot their password, send them a temporary one. Cool. Let's go to send temporary password to user. I can hit two for the user ID. I will send them temporary password, and it says good, the password sent. Um,
and he was able to press two because when you view all users, their ID is saved as two over here.
exactly. Yeah. And yeah. And let's say I want to send temporary password to like a user three. If I do that, then it says user not found. So
Okay.
that's also another requirement. And so let's log out and let's log back in as LeBron 3. And then I can hit forget password and it displays the password on the terminal right here. And if you input that password, it might take a minute. Then I hit login. Then you can input your new password. I'm just gonna put a random password in. Um, and then now you have to log back in, log in, and it logs you back in, and you can continue your stuff. And there's some other user
Add or
admin
remove.
things. Yeah,
Go-
log back in.
do you know? I forgot. I know the password. Oh,
No,
that was for
as
LeBron.
admin,
Yeah,
admin.
yeah.
Yeah,
Log in. Continue your page.
yeah. And then now what we could do is let's go over like modify user role. So for modify user role, I could put in the user that I want to modify. So we already know that's user two. And let's say that now they just want to be staff. We can modify the user role and it displays your role has been modified. If I input a user that's not existent, it modify user role, user not found. And so it modified two, and I could see view all users. Now you could see that LeBron 3 is staff.
Yeah.
So it did modify that in the database, and this is also the view all users that it needs to be implemented. And then now you can
remove user,
um
remove user.
now log in as
Oh
the
yeah,
user. Actually, wait,
oh yeah,
yeah,
LeBron
yeah,
three. You
LeBron
know
3,
it.
yeah. And now we could show you like if you go
Yeah,
continue your
continue
page.
your page. It says hello staff directly because the users only assign one role, so they don't have to select which role they want to play. Directly, they go to their page. Another functionality was the logout button, and as you can see, it's been implemented in all of the pages. When you click logout, it directly takes you to the account setup page, and that was another requirement for the new users. All right. I think we've got one more thing to show in the admin, so I'll log back in, and yes.
Yeah. Also another thing I wanted to show was just an additional thing, modify user role. So if I do one, that's my own role and that'd be an admin role. And if I wanted to modify that, it'll say cannot change role. It's an admin role, so you can't change that. And then I also want to show remove user. So I can go press two, that's the LeBron 3 user. I can hit remove user. Are you sure you want to use, and then it does the confirmation page. Then I could do yes. It'll remove user. Let's go back home. Let's view all users and
And
bang.
they're gone.
And also, I want to show notifications is now zero because I sent the temporary password a minute ago. And then also for remove user, I can't remove an admin. If I try to remove it, it says we can't remove. And if I try to remove user that's not there, um, it'll say that user not found. So yeah, that's basically all the functionality in the for our UI port.
All right, yeah, let's just log out and we're done. Oh, I should have quit, but all right, that's it. Thank you.